Hi there, this video is going to cover creating a PowerNotes assignment. To get started, after you have created your project template, you'll come over to the shield in the upper right-hand corner of your dashboard. Once there, you will scroll down until you see the plus create assignment box and click on that box. Your course section will automatically populate. You'll need to name the assignment and then choose a project template. When you click on the drop-down box, you'll see that you can select from any of the projects that you have created in your PowerNotes account. Remember that once you select a project template and you have published the assignment, it will create copies of that template for students and you will no longer be able to make changes to them. To control that, you can click on the drop-down box below Status, where you can set it as a draft or as open. Open is what will create the project templates. You can set a due date for your assignment, and then you can configure a variety of settings. You can decide if you'd like the project names to start with your student names. That will make it easier for you to identify which project you are jumping into. You can decide whether or not you include bookmarks from the template that you have created. You can also decide what can be done with the topics. So if you would like students to be able to change project topics, or if you would like to include a limit on the number of topics they can create. You can have it automatically shared with you. That is the default setting, or you can also lock sharing settings so that students can't share with anyone else. You can set citations, you can disable the auto citations, and you can lock the source note field names if that is something you don't want your students changing. Then you can also set options on the PowerNotes Insights score. You can select how many sources you would like your students to be able to find, and this will help set that insight score that will help you track how students are progressing through your assignments. So you can set the number of sources, the number of annotations, how much time you anticipate students having to spend or are requiring them to spend, and then enabling a file upload. If you have our AI features enabled in your organization or your classroom, for each project or each assignment, you can select whether or not students can actually use the AI features for that assignment. So you can set credit limits, you can enable the AI assistant and the selection of highlights. So this is the open and closed prompting for the AI, and you can enable AI discovery, or you could enable just some of those options. Once you have decided how you want your assignment configured, you'll just click Create, and it will create that assignment for you. If under status you had set the assignment to be open, then the assignment will be open and student templates will have been created.